This is your video orientation to LJS 60 from the Schoenberg collection in the Kislak Center, University of Pennsylvania Libraries. This little manuscript is a copy of Pomponius Mela's Cosmographia, possibly written in northern Italy between about 1440 and 1450. It's bound in a 15th century vellum over pasteboards, which may be the original binding. It's written in a rounded northern Italian humanistic script, very easy to read. One of the interesting things about this manuscript physically is that many of the pages are palimpsests. What this means is that the pages had writing on them before, and then that writing was erased and the pages were reused in this manuscript. And you can see it particularly on this page. This is page 9. Along the edge, you can see some writing. It's running perpendicular to our current writing, and then also along the bottom margin, and also on the next page. So that's quite interesting. You don't see that very often. You'll also notice that around the edges there's a sort of browning damage, and I'm not sure, but I wonder if that isn't caused by whatever it was that they used to erase the writing, because it's pretty clear later on these marginal notes, which are actually the names of geographical places that are described more fully in the text, they seem to be written over the browned edges as opposed to being damaged by the brown themselves. So I think that this text was written after that damage was made, but I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, it certainly is an interesting little manuscript. If you'd like to know more about this manuscript, you can visit Penn in Hand. There are high-resolution digital images of every page and a complete description. This has been your video orientation to LJS 60.